Simplify. Bracket 3 minus I all squared plus 8 minus 5I over 3 plus I minus 9. We are going to solve this expression in 3 parts. First part. Bracket 3 minus I all squared equal to 3 minus I times 3 minus I, which is 9 minus 6I plus I squared. Recall, I squared is equal to minus 1, and when we substitute minus 1 here, we have 9 minus 6I minus 1. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Therefore, the first part is equal to 8 minus 6I. Second part, 8 minus 5I over 3 plus I. We are going to rationalize this by multiplying with the conjugate of 3 plus I. That is 3 minus I over 3 minus I. So we have 24 minus 8I minus 15I plus 5I squared over 9 minus I squared. Simplify further by replacing I squared with minus 1. Here we have 24 minus 8I minus 15I minus 5 over 9 plus 1. Simplify further, we have 19 minus 23I all over 10. This can be written as 1.9 minus 2.3I. This is part 2. And then part 3 is just minus 9. So we can now add the 3 parts together as 8 minus 6I plus, collecting like terms, we have 8 plus 1.9 minus 9 minus 6I minus 2.3I. That is 0.9 minus 8.3I. Final answer. Thank you for staying this long. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you again.